So, DC chopper. So, ito daw DC chopper na to converts direct current voltage to an adjustable DC current. So, ibig sabihin parang inuutay-utay nito yung direct current para maging efficient siya. So, another electronics and electrical concept. So, ito raw DC chopper na to is present din sa mga electronic devices. Siguro including computers, lagay na natin. So mabuting na pag-aaralan natin to. Ito yung mga karagdagang kaalaman sa akin. Kasi 'di ba, yung scientific part ng computer science or computer hardware is electronics and electricity. So yun, yung scientific part, yung science part, no. At ang intro nun is physics and chemistry. So, yun. When you talk about but definitely magandang malaman at karagdagang kaalaman itong DC chopper. So, yun lang po.